What I can say is that David entered a plea to one of the charges yesterday, that of being involved in providing support for terrorism, but not guilty to the supporting any particular terrorist act. So in terms of supporting a terrorist group, he's agreed that he will plead guilty to that, and at the moment the legal processes are unfolding to allow that process to take its course. Well, all I can say is that his plea of guilty is the first step on his road back to Australia, and he saw his parents, his father and his sister yesterday, and he was, very, very pleased to see them.